I'm Ginny from Body Enhancing Fitness. Today I'm going to show you how to perform an ab crunch. When you're doing your ab crunch, you're going to lay down on the floor. You can also use an exercise mat if you have one. Lay down on the floor, bend your knees, keep your feet close together. When you lay down, you're going to place your hands on the side of your head loosely. When you lift, you're going to lift your upper body by engaging your abs. You're not going to pull on your neck. So you come up, off the floor, and back down. And that's an ab crunch.